Hello everyone, welcome back to BP Interview Tutorials. I hope you guys are doing really well. Today we came up with a good concept on the Excel tricks wherein I have seen most of the leaders, quality analysts, trainers may face the issue wherein they are adding multiple data in row and columns. So today we came up with the concept of how to freeze rows and columns. Let's see guys. Before moving to the video, I would like everyone please do check out the playlist. You will find videos related to Six Sigma certification, trainers, quality, operations KPI, people management, Excel tips and tricks, Google Studio, how you can prepare a Google dashboards with the help of Google Sheets. Also, you can see the videos related to Excel reports and dashboards. Do watch out, don't miss to subscribe and click on bell icon for the upcoming notification. So let's start today's concept, that is on how to freeze and unfreeze the row and column. So I have a set of data wherein there is an employee name, ID, the team lead, scores and remarks. Suppose I want to freeze the header part. I want to freeze this. First of all, what is the meaning of freeze? If you have multiple data, for an example, on the daily basis, if you're adding the data, you can see here, if you scroll down, your titles got moved to the up. Okay, now we want to freeze this title. How we can do that? So you need to select all the titles. You can click like this, or else you can click on one. Automatically it will select all the rows that will get freezed. Now you need to move to the header part. You can see here, file, home, insert. You need to go to view. If you go view, you can see on the fourth part, you can see here there is a freeze plans. So you need to click on freeze plan. You need to click here as freeze the top row. If you click this, okay, you can see here your title got freezed. Now you can add multiple datas easily guys, without hesitation, without any hesitation. So in this way you can freeze your top row. Now you can again unfreeze that, unfreeze span. If you unfreeze it, it will get removed. Same, suppose you have a data in a vertical or horizontal way. I'll just add data in this particular way. Example, I have employee name. Okay, I have multiple information. Example here. Okay, I have employee ID, then rank, score and remarks. If I have a data in this way, in a row and column, I switched it. Example, if I have data in this particular way and I want to freeze my uh, the side row or column, I need to freeze the column. How I can do that? So you just select the entire column, like I want to freeze the entire A column, or else you can select the specific as well. You can go to plane, freeze plane. You can click on freeze the first column. If you do that, automatically your first row will get freezed. See, now you can add your data very easily. It's very easy to do that guys. I would suggest everyone please try this, because I have seen most of the employees face issues here wherein they don't know how to freeze the row and column. So this is all about this particular video. Try this and work smartly on the excels. So thanks a lot guys, thanks for watching, have a great day. If you still have any doubt, please share your comments in the feedback session. Don't miss to click on share, subscribe and like option guys.